Here I have HAIER V5 and let me show you how to grab a screen on the following device. So all you have to do is tap on power key and volume down key all together. So at the very beginning, let's open display some screen that we would like to capture, maybe calendar and some particular date, for example, the Valentine's. And now you just tap on together on power key and volume down key and keep it for about 2 seconds. And that's it. The screenshot has been made. Now if you'd like to open it, just slide down the upper bar and tap on screenshot. I'll open it with Gallery O Photos. I will pick Gallery. And now you can send it to your friend, you can set it as your wallpaper, or you can delete it as you wish. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.